Next command is Fillet. Click and run the command from ribbon bar. Fillet methods are trim and untrim. First in trim, select this two edges from this rectangle. Then move the mouse and see the fillet. You can click and fix the fillet, or in box write a value as fillet radius. Write a desired value as radius and finish it. Click and select untrim method. Click on this other edges and do it again. And see the radius in untrim method. OK. That's very good. Press Ctrl and Z button in keyboard to run undo command, its icon is here. Repeat again. Now in options click delete third curve icon and fillet method is trim. First select this two parallel edges of rectangle. The shape of fillet is appeared. Then select this edge and complete the command. OK. That's very good. Undo again and back to the complete rectangle. Now select create alternate fillet option. And method is trim. Select two desired edges from rectangle. And finish this type of fillet. OK, do it. That's very good. Run undo command again, Ctrl and Z button. And back to complete rectangle. Now click and run chamfer command in ribbon bar. As you see, the chamfer dialog box is appeared. First, you can check or uncheck the trim input curves box. This option similar to the fillet command and no needs to explain again. In offset there are three methods: symmetric, asymmetric, offset and angle. Write desired value to distance box, then select two edges from rectangle. OK. Good. Now change chamfer method to asymmetric and write desired values to distance 1 and distance 2 options. Do it and complete the boxes. Now select two edges from rectangle again. You can lock two distances to fix it. Or move the mouse and finish the chamfer. Do it and complete. OK, good. Now change the chamfer to offset and angle. Write desired values to distance and angle boxes. And then select two edges from rectangle. Now you can write a degree value or distance value. And complete the command. OK. That's very good. OK. Next command is quick trim. Click and run the command. In boundary curve area select this curve. And in curve to trim, move the mouse in two different sides of this line. Line in red color will be deleted. Choose your desired side and click to trim it. OK, good. Close the command and again run it. In boundary curve select this two curves. In curve to trim area, move the mouse in different sides of line. You can see the red colored lines. Choose your desired side and trim it. This command is very simple. OK. Good. The next is quick extend. Click and run the command. In boundary curve area select this curve. And in curve to extend area select this curve too. And see the result. Again run the command. And select this curves to extend. and see the result again. OK. That's very good. And the next command is make corner. Click and run the command. First select this two curves. And see the result. OK. Again select this two curves. And now see the result. OK. That's very good. OK. Next command is offset curve. Click and run the command. In dialog box, in curves to offset select this chain of curves. In offset area, change the distance value and increase it. OK, good. Click reverse direction more and see the result. OK, that's very good. Check and uncheck the symmetry offset box more to see their changes on curves. OK, so good. Change the number of copies. Increase its value and see this. Test it in symmetry offset situation too. Do it and test it more and more. OK, very good. Change the cap option to arc cap, and see the corners. OK, the command. It's very simple command. Next command is pattern curve. Run the command, and in curves to pattern area select this circle. In pattern definition select linear. In direction 1 select x-axis from coordinate system. In spacing there are three methods. Count and pitch, count and span, pitch and span. Count is 5, and pitch distance is 150 millimeters. Click reverse direction and see the changes on result. OK. That's very good. You can use direction 2 by ticket. And in direction 2 select Y direction from coordinate system. Again count is 5, and pitch distance is 150 millimeters. If necessary click reverse direction. OK, that's very good. Cancel the command and again run it. Select the circle again, and in layout select circular. In specify point click and draw a point in graphic area. In spacing select count and span. Count is 10, and span is 360 degrees. OK, good. OK, next command is mirror curve. First click on this straight line and click convert to reference icon shortcut. Click and run the command and in select curve, select spline. And in select center line do it. OK, see the result and OK the command. Next command is move curve. Click and run the command. In dialog box, select curve, select this circle. In transform, motion, first select distance, angle. In specify distance vector you can select x-axis from coordinate system. And in pivot point, for example select center point of circle. Drag arrow to move the circle, or you can write a value in distance box. Drag point in graphic area and then drag arrow to move it in angle. Or you can write a value in angle box. Test it more and do it. Okay, that's very good. In motion, next method is distance, test it yourself. And next is angle, okay. And next is distance between points. Origin point is center point of circle. Measurement point, click this point. And specify vector, select it. Now drag and move the arrow to transform circle. Okay, good. Next motion is point to point. Select circle. Select from point, for example center point of circle. Then select to point, for example this point. And you can see the result. Okay, good. Next command is offset move curve, click and run the command. In select curve, first select this flat top curve. Drag arrow and see the changes on curve's shape. Move it more and more. Okay, good. Now in select curve add this fillet curve. Again move and drag the arrow and see the new result. Okay, good. In Result tab, check the tangent box and tick it. Again move and drag the cyan arrow and see the new results. Okay. It's very good. Do it and OK the command. And next is Scale Curve. OK, select all curves. And scale method by default is dynamic. You can drag and move the arrow, or write a value to scale factor box. And finish the command. OK, very good. Next command is drive line. Click and run the command. Then select this two parallel lines. Then click and move the mouse to see the result. OK. That's good. Again run the command. And select this two lines again. And move the mouse cursor and click to finish. OK. Very good. The next command is intersection point. Now click sketch icon and select this standard plane. OK the dialog box and go to sketch environment. Click and run the intersection point command. Now select 3D curve from previous model and do it. OK the command and you can see the point that's placed on intersection of 3D curve and current sketch plane. OK, that's very good. The next command is intersection curve. Click and run the command. Select this curvy face in dialog box. And OK the command. Again you can see the curve that placed on intersection of curvy face and current sketch plane. OK, it's very good. Next command is project curve. Click and run the command. First click this edge from 3D model. And OK, you can see the projected curve on current sketch plane. Run it again. And this time select this face from 3D model. And OK the command. As you see, all boundary curves on selected planar face is projected to current sketch plane. OK, that's very good.